Hello folks, Double Tap in, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a review on Churchill's Alcoholic Ginger Beer. Now this is another one from Aldi, and I think it was around £1.20, something like that. I'm not 100% sure on this one, I can't remember. But anyway, brewed in the UK, alcoholic ginger beer. Alcohol is 4%. Samuel something or other, can't read it. 500ml bottle, and it says spicy and aromatic with a refreshing citrus taste. So Churchill's, please drink responsibly. Okay, the usual bump on the back tells you absolutely nothing about the beer, but it gives you 3 million warnings. So okay, there's your crown cap. It's got the Churchill's writing on it. Now, I'm not expecting a head with this or anything like that. I'm expecting a glass of pop that's got a bit of alcohol in it, but I thought we'd give it a try and see how it goes. It's pouring quite nice and crisp colours in it. Very light. Right, I don't want that head to froth up too much, so I'll just stick it down here, finish pouring it off. And it looks to me like a nice golden refreshing cider. Lovely colour, it's got that wheat amber, lovely gold tint to it, that has. And I'm surprised that it's got a head. Extremely creamy white head that's got. So let's have a smell. It does smell quite flowery, fruity. It's got that type of smell. Very citrusy, very light, refreshing smell that is. It smells nice, I've got to admit it does smell really nice. So, cheers folks. Lovely hit of ginger, it's not overpowering, it's really nice and smooth, that ginger flavour is. I can't taste much else in this. It's a ginger beer, so that's all you got to taste, I would have thought, but it's nice, this is. Hot summer's day, in the back garden, round the barbecue, these are going to go down a treat. Like I said, that ginger flavour isn't overpowering, it's lovely, smooth and mellow, and when you eat ginger, it keeps the flavour in your mouth. I can still taste it now, even though it's been a few seconds. I've had this chilling overnight because I wanted it nice and cold and refreshing. These are a nice drink. If you like ginger beer, give it a go. Obviously, you've got to be careful with drinks like this because the kids can get their hands on them and think it's pop. So, you know, you've got to be a bit responsible with these type of things. But to me, it looks like a cider anyway. Loads of carbonation in there, but I wouldn't say it's overly carbonated. It's spot on. It's a good drink. I mean, I can't fault this whatsoever. It's nice. If you've not tried it, give it a go. It's well worth the money, I know that much. Yeah, I like that. For that one, out of 10, I don't know, I mean, straight away a 9 come to mind because it's that nice. It is very nice. I'm going to stick with the 9. It's well worth it. It's a fantastic drink. It's really nice. Right, I think I'm going to enjoy the rest of this, folks, so I'll leave it there. Anyway, oh, I'll tell you what, I ain't stopped all day, man. I have not stopped all day. I've been doing tent videos and all bloody sorts. Oh God, so I thought, you know what, let's do a beer review because I really fancied a pint after that. Like, it stressed me no end. It's unbelievable. But anyway, give it a try folks. I think I'll leave it there. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget, give us a thumbs up and I'll catch you in the next episode. I'm Double Tap and bye for now.